What do you get when you mix together a home in a superb location, pair it with a flexible floor plan, and serve it up with a whole lot of opportunity? You get one amazing home at 108 Maximilian Drive in Granby. The location couldn't be better, situated on a highly sought-after street in the company of high-end homes. This beautiful newer home offers a flexible floor plan that can suit a variety of needs. From the moment you enter the grand foyer, you're greeted with an abundant amount of natural sunlight. To the left, we have what could be a comfortable office. And to the right, a cozy living room with gas fireplace, which opens to the dining room that leads out back through the sliders, or directly into the kitchen. The custom kitchen features lots of storage and a breakfast bar open to the family room, making for an incredibly inviting space. 1/2 bath and mudroom hallway complete the first floor. Head up the turn staircase to the second floor, where you will find your sleeping arrangements. Master features a vaulted ceiling, large walk-in closet, and boasts a master bathroom with stand-up shower and soaking tub. Second full bath, laundry, 2 or 3 bedrooms, depending on how you use this space behind this door that completely occupies above the 2-car garage to suit your needs. To appreciate the size of that room, you really need to come and see it for yourself. Outside offers you the wonderful ability to landscape the yard to your liking. This home is situated on over an acre of land with a lot of privacy on both sides of the property. And if you'd like to extend deeper in the woods, you still have quite a bit of room too. Your opportunity to invest wisely is here, because you're likely never to go wrong by improving a home in one of the best locations in town. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly, and until next time, happy house hunting.